Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, we all know towards the end of every season of Uthando Nezithembu, the family normally goes out on some sort of trip to kind of wrap up the season. So on tonight's episode, one of the things we're going to be seeing is uMusa having a meeting with his wives, telling them ukuthi sizoba ne family trip, you guys. Now uMaphumalo, she's not part of the meeting. We all know ukuthi our girl uMaphumalo is a working girl, so I'm guessing ukuthi usasemsebenzini, but she's not part of that meeting. So it is only the three wives who are present, which is uMacele, uMayeni, and uMangwabe. So as uMusa's busy saying ukuthi we're going to have a family trip, uMayeni is like, no, mina bengicela bandla ukuthi ningangibali lapho nkosi yami. Hayibo, as uMusa is still looking at uMayeni, uMangwabe is like, awuthanda ukuhamba nengane zodwa. Guys, these women are basically deciding to blue tick uMusa for this family trip. Umancele, I guess she's quiet there. One thing I've noticed ever since this whole thing at number 5 kind of came out, it's like uMacele, she doesn't interact with these wives, and I don't like that because she keeps quiet when she's with the wives, and then when she's with her man, she then starts saying many things. She should speak while they are there. But we all know uMacele, guys, from I don't know which season, there was a time where she stopped going on these family trips. She doesn't go, so I don't know ukuthi kuzohamba bani because siyazi ukuthi noma K nje akazingeni. Usho ukuthi uMusa must just make up his mind ukuthi le family trip he's gonna be going with his children, you guys, because these wives, they don't want nothing to do with this family trip. We see uMangwabe saying in her diary session ukuthi what did he expect vele, and uMusa says ukuthi he feels defeated. I guess feels defeated for the fact that he's still trying to bring this family together and the wives are just like asizingeni. But anyway, I remember seeing a trailer on one of the trailers of upcoming episodes where I saw where the wives were going out to the family trip. So I do think the wives are going to be there, guys. Maybe it's the production crew, because now they said they're not going to be there for Umcimbi. They were there. So I guess for the family trip, guys, I mean, this is their paycheck. Maybe they're going to pitch up, but that's the thing, they are just pitching up. But listen, the drama, they make it clear ukuthi we here because we need to be here. Hayi ukuthi siyathanda. Anyway, let's wait for the full episode to play out, because I'm just like, Mselegu, hey bo, whatever you did to these women, listen, this time around, shame, they're not hearing nothing. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.